Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Scttomon foil shavers for men, beard trimmer for men, electric razor for men, bald head hair shaving kit cordless, waterproof. That's features are include. Professional men's grooming kit. The cordless trimmer set includes hair trimmer and foil shaver. The T-blade trimmer allows for precise hair trimming, ensuring a clean cut every time. The foil shaver provides a smooth and close shave, leaving your skin feeling soft and stubble-free. Ideal for home use and barber shops, and we suggest that you first use hair trimmer trim your stubble before using an electric shaver. Exquisite body and strong power. T-blade trimmer and foil shaver are made of metal material, which adds luxurious sense and resistant to scratches and dents, keeping it looking flawless for longer. The foil shaver and hair trimmer is equipped with a heavy-duty motor and self-sharpening blade that effortlessly removes excess hair without causing any pain and pulling. Double-layer blades and adjustable speed. The electric shaver adopts a unique double-layer floating mesh design with independent dual-cutting blades to fit to contours of the face, neck, and jawline. Achieve flawless and skin-friendly shaving for sideburns, mustaches, and stray hairs with the pop-up trimmer and titanium foil head. 2 adjustable speeds, 7000 rpm, 8000 rpm, to meet your shaving needs. Long-lasting and portable. With a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, our trimmer kit can provide long-lasting running for you. Charge for sets just 1.5 hours and get up to 150 minutes runtime for trimmer and 75 minutes runtime for shaver. The cordless trimmer set and travel lock design, making it convenient and safe to take and use with you wherever you go. Waterproof and wet-dry shave. The trimmer sets are easy to clean and fully washable because of its IPX6 waterproof design. Press the shaver button to remove the blade cover, and just clean it under the running water after use. Designed to meet your preferences, not only dry shave, also can be used wet with shaving gel or foam to reducing the risk of skin nicks and cuts. Smart LED display. The high-definition LED screen clearly displays the remaining battery percentage, reminding charging and oil add reminder. 3 hair trimmer speed turbo mode, 6000, 6500. 7000 rpm, display is more intelligent, providing you with all the information to ensure you are using the correct speed and keep trimmer in good condition. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.